The Detox diet plan and its phases. Detoxification is known throughout the world as one effective form of body cleansing and dieting. It is utilized by thousands of people as a diet regimen that aids the bodily systems to eliminate harmful toxins. The detox diet plan is in the first place developed based on the notion that toxins enter our body and build up once not flushed outside the system. It enters from the foods we eat, the water we drink, and even from the air we breathe. And if it builds up in a massive number, toxins can harm us. Symptoms like wrinkles, bloating, loss of energy, and cellulite will soon appear. So to prevent such bothering conditions from happening, detox diet plans were designed and developed. Today, it is known as diet plan where fasting plays a key role. Yes, fasting is deemed important for detoxification, and it's no surprise to know that today, followers of the trend are strongly recommended to undergo fasting for about 3 days. In those 3 days, you are not allowed to eat any food. All you have to consume is purified water. Also, you are required to maintain a certain activity to keep you active, but this must only be considered in minimum. Venturing into extreme climates is highly prohibited. The detox diet plan typically features 2 phases for the detoxification process to occur. The first phase is said to occur after the first 3 days of fasting. It is known by many detox experts as the monotrophic phase of the diet, as the person involved in the plan only consume a single type of fruit with every meal. If you are preparing for your breakfast, for instance, you only need to choose a particular kind of fruit to consume, and you are limited to only that. No more, no less. This also holds true as with your lunch and dinner. You might also be given a glass of fresh juice before you take your dinner meal. It is important to note that during the monotrophic stage of the detox diet plan, you are required to eat only 1 fruit for about a week. Yes, I said a week, and for many detox diet proponents, that period is good enough for you to release all the toxins in your body. That will also aid for your weight loss. The second stage of the detox diet plan includes the addition of raw foods to your diet. This stage will last for about a month or so, and here, a variety of fruits are allowed for you to eat, however, with certain limits. After an amount of days following this stage, you will feel like tired, nauseous, and lightheaded. Well, as what many detox diet planners have said, this is just a natural reaction caused by the detoxification process. The detox diet plan is not yet scientifically proven. There are also several side effects associated to it, the reason that those who are thinking of following the diet are highly recommended to see a doctor first before going on to the process.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.